Hey yummies, what's going on? So today I'm filming in a different location because, well, I'm outside because I want to show you guys how to transform your outdoor space you may be in a rental where you don't want to put a lot of money into upgrading something that you don't own. So you can make some temporary changes, and when you're ready to move or go to a different location, you can actually take all of these elements with you. So let me show you what I did.
Here is the before of the front porch area that we're going to redesign today. As you can see, it needs a lot of TLC. So we're going to sweep up and repaint the trimming. We're going to put down temporary flooring of some wood tiles that I got from Amazon. And we're going to add new chair pillows, black rocks, and a rug. Here's what the finished paint job looks like on the trim. I used Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Outdoor Paint in white. The next thing that I painted was an old metal table that we had on the porch. That was a color red. And as you see, I have some items that are in gold, so I wanted to paint the table to match the gold accents. So here's the paint that I used, also from Amazon. The paint job came out fantastic. It covered exactly how I wanted. It gave me the correct finish, and I was very pleased with the outcome. And as you can see here, it matched perfectly. It didn't take long to dry. I gave it like a day to just dry sitting outside. Once I received the floor tiles, which by the way, took a couple of tries to receive them undamaged, I started laying down the tiles. So here you can see what the wooden floor tiles look like. They're very, very pretty. They were easy to install, and they can be removed when you're ready. Now, as you can see, there are some spaces around the tiles because of the size of the flooring. So I decided to fill those spaces in with black rocks that I also ordered from Amazon. That is an easy trick to use when you don't want to have to cut tiles to fit. That would have been too much work. The other thing that I did was I added a temporary screen to the porch door that leads to my bedroom because that old door was damaged. And here is the final reveal. I love this outdoor space. I also added later on some plants, which I haven't shown in this video, but I bought a cute little fountain that I filled with excess rocks to go on the table, and I added some tea light candles. And these pillows and the rug I purchased actually from Home Goods. So you can always go there and pick up any items that you want to add on later. But I'm very satisfied with my outdoor oasis. And I highly recommend that you do the same thing if you have a space that you need to refresh or redesign to make it feel better and peaceful and enjoyable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you to make your space special for you. Take care. Peace and blessings. See you in the next video.